Okay, so first we're starting with the eyebrows. I'm using the color Bewitching from Sinful Colors. And now we are going to be using the color Feminine, and we are going to arch the end of our eyebrows with it. And now to blend Feminine and Bewitching, we are using the color Confident, and these are all from Sinful Colors. And now I'm going to go back into the front with the color Outrageous. Okay, now we're going to prime our eyelids and then conceal underneath our eyebrows to give it a more sharper look. Now, after blending it out, we are going in with Mint Tea from the Blue Blood palette, and we are just going to put it as our transition right underneath the brow. Now we are using I'm Cold, and we're going to put that in the inner corner under our eyebrow. Now in the corner crease, we are using Blue Blood, and we are just going to blend it out smoothly. Now with the same blending brush, we are using Deceased, and we are just going to darken where we just used Blue Blood. Now we are going to dab Blue Monday right in the outer corner. Now from the Blood Sugar palette, we are taking Cavity and going right towards the inner corner. Now we are going to blend Root Canal into Cavity. Next, we are going to be dipping into the James Charles palette and using the color Escape to blend Root Canal and Blue Monday together. Now going back into the Blue Blood palette, we are going in with Ocean Ice, and we are just going to put that straight into our corner on our lids. Now taking Cola and Butter, we are going to blend it lightly into the crease. Now we are going to use Ice Tray to highlight underneath the brow bone. Now we're going to take Cullinan and we are going to highlight our inner corners. Okay, now I'm using my foundation sticks. I'm using the color Hazel and Chestnut. And I am going to just mark out where I want it, where I'm highlighting. I'm going to go in with my espresso colored foundation stick, and I'm just going to use it where I'm hiding and contouring. Now blend it all out and together so there's no harsh lines. Okay, and now I have pumped a little bit of Becca's Aqua Lumifying Foundation in the color Dark Golden on, and I'm just going to blend that out and blend it in real good. Okay, and now I'm going to set everything, and I am using my most favorite product, which is Airspun. And now I'm going to be using Too Faced Coco de Sol bronzer. Now that I'm done baking, I'm just going to dust off all the product. Okay, and I'm going to be using the color Spectra from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette, and I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones a little by my brow, my nose, and my chin. And now I'm going to use Orion and go over by my cheekbones. Now using Unicorn from the Dream highlighting palette, I'm just going to be extending up my eyebrows, and now using Ethereal, I'm just going to be going over everything again. Okay, and now I'm taking Queen Supreme and Diamond from Jeffree Star and just doing a lip ombre. Thanks for watching.